Natural disasters happen all around the world, and when they do, they often leave people displaced, injured, and without access to safe drinking water. At Vinovate, we've developed a solution, and it's called the Puribag. It's a simple, low-cost, all-inclusive and easy-to-use system to capture, treat and store water. The Puribag provides the end user with independence immediately following an event, whilst lessening the burden on humanitarian aid agencies. Puribag is filled through the open end of the vessel, capturing up to 10 litres of water from any non-potable freshwater source. When the bag has been filled, the PNG Pure Treatment Sachet is added and the bag is sealed using the provided sealing rod. Once the sachet has been added and the bag has been sealed, the Puribag is then gently agitated for 2 to 4 minutes, ensuring the correct mixing of the treatment powder. Following agitation, the Puribag is then hung from any tree branch, hook or area where the bag can rest for 30 minutes, allowing the waste material to settle in the bottom of the bag. The deployment of water after a disaster is of critical importance, with instances of waterborne disease often leading to outbreaks and illness on a mass scale. Traditionally, first responders have freighted in bottled water, which is heavy, expensive and impractical to transport. The Vinovate Puribag can be pre-positioned in high-risk areas and airdropped for use in the minutes, hours and days following an event. The bag requires minimal instruction and can provide users with 150 litres of water. Once the heavy material has settled, this is where the Puribag shines. Unlike any other water treatment bag available, Puribag allows the end user to remove the contaminated matter through a simple twist and lock process, thus removing the risk of recontamination. Using the indicated marker, the bag is twisted and locked off with the provided clip. This essentially separates the bag into 2 chambers, with the waste material separated at the bottom. Once separated, by simply pulling the bottom slide, the user is able to remove the waste material from the bottom chamber of the bag. By resealing after the removal of the waste material, the upper lock can be removed and once again the bag is one complete unit. Removing all of the waste material ensures that the Puribag can be carried and the water stored for a prolonged period of time without the risk of recontamination. Safe drinking water is one of the highest priorities immediately following a natural disaster or emergency event. It is our goal at Vinovate to provide a safe, easy-to-use method of water treatment, purification and storage for all of those affected. The Vinovate Puribag, helping to provide safe drinking water where and when it is needed most.